What is up you guys, it's Greg here again, and in this video I'm gonna share with you my top 10 best skincare discoveries this year 2020. Meaning of all the skincare products na na-try ko, ito yung pinaka tumatak sa akin, ito yung talagang gagamitin ko until 2021. I'm not saying that the other products na na-try ko are not effective, it's just this 10 items in here are the ones na nag-stand out and talagang nagbigay ng remarkable effects and benefits on my skin. Also, these are combination of everything, cleansers, moisturizers, sunscreen, everything. Wala tayong category, basta lahat ng nagustuhan kong skincare products, all of them will be included in this video. So, but before we start, if you're new to my channel, my name is Greg and I do videos about men's fashion, men's grooming, and fragrance reviews. So, if you think you're interested with those kind of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. So, starting off with this moisturizer from COSRX, and this is COSRX Oil-Free Moisturizer. It's true to its name, it's oil-free pero it's moisturizing. Hindi siya greasy. Feeling ko parang wala akong ginagamit ng moisturizer, but definitely my skin is moisturized. It was actually a surprise kasi it comes with the bundle na binili ko from Beauty Bar together with other COSRX products. And tinry ko yung moisturizer, actually last ko na siyang tinry because yun yung least interested ako dun sa set na yun. Pero surprisingly, yun pa yung, if not the best, talagang tumatak sa akin sa lahat nung binili ko na yun. So, I will definitely buy the larger tube. It's one of my best discoveries this year 2020. Next one is the Soothing Gel Aloe Vera and Snail from Lux Organics. So, ito siya. Ang gusto ko sa Soothing Gel na to is sobrang fresh ka after. Alam mo yun? My skin looks rested. Parang di ako haggard every time na ginagamit ko to. It's not dry, pero parang wala kang moisturizer. Ang pinakang parang finish niya is parang fresh lang yung mukha mo. Ganun lang siya. Sulit yung pera na gagamitin nyo dito sa Soothing Gel na to if you make it as your moisturizer. By the way, all the prices of these products will be in the description. So, pakicheck lang sa description box kasi di ko kabisado. So, check all the links where you can buy all of these items na sabihin ko and also their prices. Again, in the description box. The next one is from the line of OxyCure. Basically, all the OxyCure products. So, if you guys know, if you're following me on Instagram, OxyCure sent me their range para i-review. And OxyCure is one of those brands na talagang masasabi ko talaga na hindi lang just hype, kundi talagang effective siya and it does what it says doon sa mga promises nila. And it's actually really for acne-prone skin. This cleanser, this powder mud. They also have acne clearing potion. And meron pang isa pa, yung acne spray. Every single product sa line nila are effective and does what it says. Definitely that brand will be in my best discoveries in this year 2020. And I'm glad to share this with you, especially if you're acne prone and you have a lot of acne, especially mga teenager dyan. This OxyCure line will be probably my top 1 or 2 suggestion or recommendation for you if you're a teenager kasi it's mild but at the same time sobrang potent niya when it comes to clearing out your acne. I would say na hindi mawawala yung OxyCure in my shelves of skincare products. Another skincare line from Lux Organics ulit, and this is their whitening repair line. So that's the cleanser, the toner, and the 4% niacinamide serum. Before, nakagamit ako ng 2% niacinamide serum and wala akong masyadong nakitang difference. Probably because it's too low. And at the same time, my skin is used to higher percentage because I was using the niacinamide, the ordinary 10%. So, dito na sana yung skin ko. So, probably yun. Pero, if you're starting, you can use the entire line. That's actually more recommendable. Mas advisable siya to use their entire whitening line for dark spots. So, they're gentle. It's for dark spots. If you want to brighten your skin, it's not whitening. I know nakalagay na whitening repair. But it's more on lightening, yung mga hyperpigmentation, a little bit of brightening effects sa face. But again, it's not really whitening. Next is Apotheca Niacinamide 10% serum. Since medyo may kahirapan nga mag-order ng niacinamide from the ordinary, dito ito ang pinaka-alternative natin. This is 10% also. I'm not saying that it's better than the ordinary. I would say the ordinary niacinamide meron pa rin siyang edge over this serum. But since the effects of niacinamide on my skin is more on regulating my oil production, making my skin look healthy Yun din yung nagagawa nung Apotheke on my skin. So, okay na ako dun. Okay, I think it's worth the try. No, matagal na yung request on my channel, may mga nagre-request dyan. And although hindi ko pa nagagawa ng review, but yes, I highly recommend Apotheca Niacinamide Serum, yung 10% nila. It's cheaper because it's 60 ml for 500 pesos yata. So, matagal mo na siya magagamit. So, and it's local. Next is, hindi ko pa napapakita rin sa inyo in my channel, but I was using it for the last 2 weeks. But, matagal ko na siya nabili. I think June or July. Matagal ko na siya nabili. And this is the Inkilist Retinol. So far, okay siya sa skin. Di maganda yung amoy, pero my skin looks and feels healthy kapag ginagamit ko siya. When I started using the Inkilist Retinol, my face is looking parang brighter. Maybe that's one of the effects of retinol. So I'm yet to see more from this product. I'll definitely make a video if I see something remarkable with the Inkilist Retinol. But yeah, so far, yung experience ko with it is something na talagang babantayan natin. That's why I included it here in this best discoveries for this year. For those who don't know, retinol is one of the best ingredients for reversing signs of aging. If you have wrinkles, if you have dark spots or fine lines, retinol or vitamin A is something that you should look for. And what's good about Inkilist is hindi mataas masyado yung kanilang retinol. For starters, like for some of you guys, I'm still starting sa vitamin A, okay itong Inkilist. So babantayan natin yung effects pa niya in the very near future. Next is another product from the Lux Organics, that is their cleansing balm. If napanood niyo yung video ko about the Lux Organics line, yung skincare routine ko with them, it's actually a collab video with Lux Organics. I'm gonna put the link somewhere in here. Panoorin niyo yun. Doon pinakita ko na ginagamit ko yung cleansing balm, and it's an oil-based cleansing balm. So parang siya muna yung gagamitin mo before you use the actual cleanser. And matagal ko na kasi talagang hinahanap yung mga ganun, whether it's a balm or cleansing oil, kasi especially for oily skin, oil attracts oil. So okay if you have oil cleanser before you use yung mga normal cleansers. So papansin ko na mas malinis tsaka mas nagiging refined yung pores, mas parang lumiliit siya. Alam ko kasi pag clog yung pores ko nagkakaroon ako ng maliliit na bumps, kakaroon ako ng mga whiteheads, parang ganyan. And pag talagang diretso yung gamit ko ng cleansing balm, papansin ko mas nagiging refined yung pores. So usually ginagamit ko yun sa gabi. Throughout the day, marami kang nakuwang oil and dirt. So maganda if you have cleansing oil or cleansing balm to take away all the dirt and the oil. Next is Cetaphil Oil Skin Cleanser. Matagal ko na itong nakikita, narinig, gustong bilhin. Pero since it's pricey, medyo binaba ko siya sa priority ko until this year. Unlike the gentle cleanser, this one cleanses my skin better. Kasi meron silang gentle cleanser, mas mura yon. Okay din naman ako doon. Pero this one suits my skin. Ito yung sasabi ko na magandang ginagamit nyo guys is yung mga products na fit sa skin type. So yun talaga isa sa mga natutunan ko rin in my skincare journey. So kaya ako ginustong itry ito. And di ako nagkamali. Yes, medyo may kamahalan siya, $750. Pero I get my money's worth. Hindi ko naman kailangan gumamit ng madami. And wala akong naging problema for the entire 125 ml of this cleanser. It's non-comedogenic, it's non-drying, my face is always kalmado, so okay talaga siya. Next is a sunscreen from Lux Organics. Naghanap talaga rin ako ng alternatives na mga sunscreen kasi I wanted to try other products syempre, so I can suggest more for you guys. And this is something na pinaka okay na na-discover kong sunscreen this year, the Lux Organics Aqua Sunscreen. Pag in-apply mo siya sa mukha, siya nag-iiwan ng parang greasiness na para siyang nawawala, alam mo yun. So para siyang water-based talaga. And maganda rin sa mukha yung parang finish niya na parang medyo parang hydrated yung skin mo. So one plus point din yun. Yeah, it's not heavy, especially for men. Ayaw natin masyadong maraming nakalagay sa mukha. But if you want to use a sunscreen, maraming sunscreen na medyo mabigat sa face. And ayaw natin ng ganon, diba? So this one is good. Last but not the least, another one from COSRX, and this is Snail Mucin Essence. Essence is parang optional in the skincare routine, pero I finally decided to include it in my routine. And thankful ako na ginawa ko yun because yung Snail Mucin is sobrang ganda sa mukha. Sobrang naging hydrated yung skin mo. It's not moisturizing, it's hydrating. Parang healthy tingnan yung skin mo. And then parang naging plump. So sobrang okay nung snail mucin sa mukha. If you have extra money to spare for skincare and you want to make your skin look healthier, sobrang maganda yung snail mucin. Let me know if anong mga products yung gusto nyong subukan natin. Comment nyo lang lahat yon sa comment box. I hope you guys like this video before we end this year. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko. That will help this channel grow. Also, we are on our way to our first 10,000 subscribers. As I shoot this video, we're currently around 8,000 plus. So, thank you for all your support this year sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa channel na to. Thank you so much. I highly appreciate all your support. Also, follow me on Instagram para we are more connected. I hope you guys are having good time this holiday season. Also, always keep safe. And as always, guys, I will see you in my next video. Till next time.